Okay, since you've seen my other video before about the coronavirus, if it's end of February and I didn't have my eye surgery or I could see again, I have to wait a couple more days before I can take off this damn bandage. Never have maggots in your eyeball. I'm gonna have to get laser surgery to correct the damage on my cornea. Okay, about the SARS, it's not SARS. This virus is very lethal. Again, you have to be in contact. Unless you're doing this to a sick person, I don't think you're going to get the SARS. I don't think you're going to get this coronavirus. All right, unless you kiss them, spit on them, have any fluid transmission between the two parties. Okay, this we're worse for millennials, for women, for Generation Y, let's see, we had the millennials and we have the whiners. Yeah, we have the whiners. That's the younger brothers of the millennials. I gotta keep track of who's gonna die next. So we're looking at worldwide, if we're lucky, maybe by end of March, maybe 100,000 will die in 6 different continents, if we're lucky. So I tell a lot of people, be very careful, be vigilant. Don't go into crowds, don't go into theaters, wash, use an antibacterial soap. Don't start rumors, be calm, eat normally, just be careful. Now, also nice thing about today, I met with my neighbors and said hello, and they asked me a few questions, and they had a garage sale, so I got this. Now, a lot of you know that Uncle Alan used to dabble a little bit, and they say, Uncle Alan, we know for you a long time, so we'll give you both sets for $1, 50 cents each. So, sure, I have a DVD. Uncle Alan never throws anything away. And they know that I used to do martial arts. I can't do that anymore because Uncle Alan's noggin's... Oh, let me put it this way. If Uncle Alan falls wrong or somebody hits Uncle Alan's wrong, they're going to be charged with murder because Uncle Alan's going to drop dead. So I don't have to worry about winning a fight. You're going to prison and probably get... So that's about it. Okay. Now, if we do have the effects of a serious outbreak, okay, leave the infected area if possible. Or put yourself in, like me, self-isolation and quarantine. I got my air filters on full blast that picks up any kind of particle. Moisture particle, dust particle, you name it. So I'm not taking any chances. And 2, third bottle of Purex, and I wash my hands with a germicidal soap. Okay? Now again, a lot of you people live in very sterile conditions. Alright? So you're not used to it. You don't have the natural immunity. So a lot of people in the rural areas who are exposed to this constantly will not suffer as bad. People in the major cities, okay, in the major cities are going to be totally screwed. All right, if you have animals, you have a kind of resistance to the coronavirus. If you have critters, you have it. Dogs and cats do not count. Okay, so remain calm. Don't be in a big city. You know, if you're in a country, good for you. If you're not in a country, you're screwed. All right? So anyway, go watch his Hubble's Cats Pandemic videos. They'll cheer you up. And he's a nurse. Now, if you're wondering about the eye patch, I had some maggots in my eyes, so they cleaned it out. Waiting for healing. Please check out these people. They need 6 more and they'll hit 500. Hong Kong don't do the nickel and dime things on giveaways. I'm too old. I'm too grouchy. Oh, about grouchy, go see Southern Ohio Prepping. Real good live stream. Right. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. You have a nice day.